G'day, here's a mixed parcel of knobby and seam material from Lightning Ridge. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've done the usual, zoomed in, haven't moved any of the pieces. Just quickly move around. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time. Some of this is very bright on black base, so it should cut some nice stones hopefully for you. And there's a couple of jelly pieces in there as well. Some people have been asking me about this sort of material for can be faceted sometimes. Look at that, looks like Aurora colours of the greens. Beautiful piece. There's a colour flashing through here. Picking it up occasionally. Make a liar out of me. Piece of seam opal. Not so good. Here's a piece of that deep super bright colours on black. It might only just be what you can see on that piece. Bar there by the looks. Interesting piece, sorry, going off the screen. Pinks and greens up there, and then this end. Be careful with that, you might end up with 3 stones, I don't know. One up on my left there, one here on the right, and one at the back. Of course, it's only conjecture. Till you open it up, you've got as much idea of what's inside as I have. Can't see much in that. Another crystal, bordering on crystal piece. There's the bar there. Electric, greens, blues. Oops. Another seam. Black base by the looks. There's some red poking out from underneath there. Nice piece. Anyway, I think that gives you a pretty good idea of what's there. That may well cut a big stone. It's just under the surface there, the colour. Can't see how far that goes. It's nice, bright. Put the saw blade up through the middle. Get a stone on the right there and get that big blue one on the left, perhaps. Anyway, I think that gives you a pretty good idea of what you're getting for your money. Hope you enjoyed.